So this first stretch is for the muscle in your back that attaches to your spine. It's a big muscle that attaches all the way to your hip bone. So the closer you stand to the wall, the easier it is. You're just going to use your bottom hand for balance, and you're going to lean into the side. If that's too uncomfortable for your shoulder, you can just put your hand on your head. You can also twist in this position and get a nice stretch there. It's nice to hold these positions. You can hold it for up to like 10 seconds, but I like having it go in and out. So hold for 2 seconds and come back down, and do that about 10 times instead, especially with chronic pain. Oftentimes you'll run into cramping symptoms. This first exercise, lying down on your back, is a lower trunk rotation. So you're going to slowly let your hips rock to the side, keeping your shoulders flat on the mat or your bed. And as you inhale, bring it up to the center. Exhale, bring it all the way to the other side. What you don't want to do is go back and forth like this. That's not good for your back, and you're just going to injure something. The next move is called open book. So you're going to keep your hips on the side while you're lying on your side. Follow your arms and look at your arms for a deeper stretch, trying to keep your hips forward. Then you're going to thread back slowly. Try not to hold the stretch too long. Again, you can get cramping if you have chronic pain symptoms. You're just going to hold for about 2 seconds at the top. The next pose is called cat-cow or cat-camel. So you're starting by rounding your back and looking down at the ground, coming back up to arch your back and look up. Holding for a few seconds. Again, you don't want to hold it too long so you don't get spasming or cramping in your back. Here's a lovely cat for demonstration as well. Just going to repeat this. After this, we're going into child's pose, which is just a nice stretch. You can widen your hips out here for a deeper stretch. Just feel it in your back. Push through your hands to really feel it. Now you're up on all fours. This is more of a dynamic child's pose, so you can go in and out. After child's pose, we're going right into an up dog. So I like going back and forth. This is called a body flow, where you're going from up dog to child's pose, and then this is called thread the needle. You can do that on both sides. Get a nice stretch in the back, nice rotation. We're going to repeat this back into up dog, get a stretch in the back. Lean back into child's pose. Back up on all fours, thread the needle on both sides. And repeat this sequence. So this is called body flow when you combine all of these together. It's really good to keep moving to stretch out. As you can see here, I deepen the stretch even further by going lower to the ground with the thread the needles. don't push this too soon, it could be very sensitizing.